Taylor from We Craft Social. Halloween is bound to look a little different this year. If you've got a family with young kids and you still want to give them the trick-or-treating experience while being safe, check this out. I've got a fun activity that will keep the whole family in the Halloween spirit, all from your backyard.
Do you see any pumpkins?
There's no trees in my pumpkin.
That's because you got to find the little baby pumpkins, remember? Where are the baby pumpkins?
No.
Let's look. Let's look in the garden. Let's see. Do we see any pumpkins? Oh, get it. Go get the pumpkin. Oh, wait. This one, buddy. This one. Grab that little one. Okay, now you give it to me. Okay, now we get to go get a treat, okay?
Okay.
All right, follow me.
Yeah. That's a mommy pumpkin.
Okay, can you give it to me and say trick or treat?
Trick or treat.
Thank you. All right, now we get to pick from the blue pumpkin. Oh yeah, good job, good job. Okay, now give it to me. All right, now, what color is this, Owen? Hey, buddy.
What's that?
What color is this one?
There's his daddy.
There's his daddy. Okay, because this one is pink, you get to pick from the pink pumpkin, all right?
Okay.
So pick a treat. Perfect. All right. Now let's count how many trick-or-treats we found.
So there you have it, a fun and safe way to trick-or-treat on this Halloween. My name is Taylor from We Craft Social. If you like this idea, check out our channel. We have baking, crafting, home decor DIYs, and even fun kid ideas on our website, wecraftsocial.com.
Trick or treat.